It's a story time.
Wow!
The Miser's Gold. Once upon a time, there was a very rich man who lived in a small village. He had a lot of gold, but he was also very greedy. He did not want to spend any of it. He did not buy nice clothes, good food, or gifts for anyone. He only wanted to keep his gold safe. One day, the miser had an idea. If I keep my gold in the house, he thought, someone might steal it. But if I bury it in my garden, no one will ever find it. So the miser dug a deep hole under a tree in his garden and hid all his gold there. Every day he went to the garden, dug up the gold, looked at it, and smiled. He never took a single coin. After looking at it for a while, he would bury it again and go back inside. A thief in the village saw the miser doing this every day. He thought, that man is hiding something. I will wait until night and find out what it is. That night, when the village was quiet and everyone was asleep, the thief came to the garden. He dug under the tree and found the miser's gold. He quickly took all the gold and ran away. The next morning, the miser went to the garden as usual. He dug the hole, but there was no gold. He cried and screamed, "My gold is gone! Someone stole it!" A neighbor heard the miser crying and came over. "What happened?" he asked. "My gold! Someone took my gold!" the miser sobbed. The neighbor asked, "Did you ever use the gold? Did you spend it or share it?" "No," said the miser. "I only looked at it." The neighbor shook his head and said, "Then what is the difference between gold and stones? If you never used it, it was just sitting there like rocks. You lost nothing." The miser stopped crying. He realized the neighbor was right. Moral of the story: saving is smart, but if you never use what you have, it is just like not having it at all. Don't just keep your treasure, use it wisely and enjoy it too.